Alright, and welcome back. So today what I'll do is I actually have a hedge I gotta trim, so I thought why not try the recent fix of the hedge trimmer I did previous video or so ago. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to go ahead and just trim this hedge I have here just to make sure everything's good with it, and as long as it works and operates we can then get rid of it. So join me today on this quick short content of me trimming the hedge that's basically overgrown on the walkway. And I'm just getting my glove on, I apologize. So what I'll do first here is let me just get it basically plugged in. I did bring a plastic bag out here just to get rid of some of the shrubbery. So what I'll do here is I'll plug it in. Now I do have the tripod mounted. I do have it on focus set, so hopefully it's not too much vibration and movement because it is pretty much live. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get started here, and I will get to trimming. So this will be like a little before, and we'll do an after. So yeah. Alright, so far we trimmed it here. It was doing pretty good, except I think on the bigger branches kind of, it was slowing down. So what I want to do here is like thick branches, something like that. It was a little bit thicker. It was basically cutting it, but like kind of I feel like it was ripping at it. So what I'll do here is I'll let it stand for a second here, and I will just pull off a couple of these that kind of cut off, but it didn't really cut them off. And see here, let's make sure it's plugged in. And there, it finally shut off. So yeah, so it's trimming it, but I feel like it's just cutting out a little bit, so I'm wondering possibly if that power cord, I have to probably just pull it apart again one more time just to see if that power cord is maybe getting a little loose inside, and then maybe just reattaching it or just reapplying it. But it looks like it has the power to do it. It's just a little bit slower. But also some of these hedges on this hedge here, they're growing a little thick, so this might be at like the capacity of it. But yeah, I just wanted to try it out here with this Hedgehog 20-inch. So yeah, hope you guys like the quick content here. Hope you like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how everything's going with you guys, and I will catch you guys out on the next one. Take it easy.